What happened to your watch, sir?
What happened?
It fell down, sir? Like that?
Fell down.
Oh, then the hands were...
It opens the band,
Yeah.
open the band and fall down.
Yeah. And we're going to fix, we're going to realign the hands. Okay. It's already okay, sir. We realign the hands and then we put a new spring bar. Thank you for the trust, sir. Our loyal customer. All right.
I always trusting you.